use the word risk. Talk to us, and what advice would you have for a young person who um, is presented with an opportunity, and people think that opportunities come wrapped, in dress clothes. You just need to enjoy. But the fact is, it requires work, requires you taking risk. What advice would you have for them?
Yeah, so the first thing I did, Deb, the first thing I really mentally prepared myself for was to be open. It's going to be different. It's going to be England, so it's going to be cold and crappy weather. It's going to be different conditions, so don't expect to be a success overnight. You got to work hard. So I guess having that open mental approach of things are going to be different. It's up to you to adapt, not for them to adapt to you. And so it was having that positive mindset going into what I knew was going to be a hard initial contract. So what do I need to do to adapt? And so for me, to any young guy out there, and, I've got a 13, 12-year-old son, that wants to go and play cricket in Australia when he's older. And that is absolutely do it, but make sure you've got a positive mindset and make sure you've got an open mindset, because you will need to adapt, not others to adapt to you.